Alright, it's another day, and we're heading out to check the eggs this morning and check on the chickens. And they seem to be doing quite well. I try to add some compost and feed every morning before they get out. And they're doing quite well, getting well adjusted. We'll see what we got for eggs this morning. Nothing there. Nothing in there. I didn't expect too much in the mornings, but maybe in the later afternoons. Oh, there we go. We got one. And I generally just like to check out the water, coop situation, and set up a cleaning time. Or if I'm going to do the deep litter method, I'm debating at the moment, but it's really not too bad. Their water's staying pretty clean, but we'll clean it out and shake things up. But I wanted to show you these tiger claws. I was using them for the hardware cloth around this coop, and it's way easier than fencing staples. You can screw it down, tightens down, and I'll show you here what they look like on the fence. They screw right in, and you can remove them or put them back. It's really a neat little design. They have them on Amazon. I like them a lot.